Well, I guess at least for us, first-time attendees, it's cool to see how many people are first-time attendees. I think it was, like 30%?
I think you're right, Britt. 30% of us were first-time attendees.
So we're not alone. Yeah.
Britt, what was your favorite part?
Well, at least, we're not done yet, but at least from the first part, I had a really good time meeting all the emerging leaders. It's been fun to be able to get to know people who are also maybe a little newer to the industry, as I am at least, you
Right.
too. So that's been really good. And then even just today, Alex, the economist, that was, I think one of my favorite keynotes to date. It was some, good perspective and some stuff you don't get to talk about much in the day-to-day.
Did you do the speed networking?
I did do the speed networking. It was fast and furious as promised.
Right.
But no, it was a good time. It's nice to just at least be able to recognize more faces as you're moving around. So yeah, what about you?
Yeah, I agree. I think the speed networking was very fun. Everyone is so friendly, and I've had a great time getting to know people, seeing my clients in person. That's been great.
Yeah, absolutely. We're remote, so anytime you get to spend in person with actual people you work with every day is great.
It's really nice.
Well, I know I've also, outside of the sessions, I feel like we've had a very good time just with the marketing committee and our peers in the marketing world. We had a great time last night, tacos. Oh, and the theme, I love that there was a theme this year. It was fun to break out our leis, our Hawaiian shirts.
Right.
Did you dress up?
I had my floral dress on. Yeah, a little chilly this week, but the rain has held off, thankfully.
Yeah, the June bloom has been a little tough to market, that's for sure. But
absolutely.
Yeah, it's been, it's a great cohort of marketers here, so it's been nice to be able to just learn from them and see what everyone else is doing.
I agree. I've met so many marketing people that I hadn't met before, so it's been very great. Yep.
Have you done any other exploring around the area?
Just out and about a little bit, some morning walks, it's always nice, and and then very busy at the conference, just meeting people, enjoying the time.